Hi, I'm Caleb Kirsch. I am a full-time Power BI consultant for Collectiv. So I just brewed up some chai. It's about 1:30 here in Salt Lake where I'm at, so a little late for coffee, but good time for chai.
Can I get a tall chai?
And a large black coffee.
A what?
So I've got a farm fresh carrots mug here. Pretty sure this came from a consignment shop or a thrift store somewhere. I'm originally from the southern US and we have a lot of good stores like that there. The handle actually broke off at one point, but we've glued it back together and it's probably on year 10 now. I'm a big music nerd, so I collect a lot of music. I go to a lot of concerts. I like everything from alternative to indie rock to metal and punk music.
That is so punk rock.
I like to kind of be in the scene at the city where I'm at, and I'm also into the audio side, so I've got lots of cool headphones and amplifiers and things like that. So I worked as a refining process engineer for almost 10 years. I was in industrial plants working with operators and other engineers there to kind of optimize and increase the value of the processes in those plants. It can be hard on the body, it can be hard on the home life, so it's really good to be in a position now where I can work from home and I can kind of pick up my system and go wherever I need to go with my family and still be able to work. I live in Salt Lake, which is actually a really cool place in terms of the surrounding scenery. I remember when I first went to like the Swiss Alps when I was younger, I was really kind of blown away by the mountains and the beauty, not realizing that we have very similar kinds of terrain even in the US. So once we moved out here and you kind of get used to the mountains being there, they kind of become your friends. So I really like that aspect of where I'm at right now. So I'm from Decatur, Alabama.
Alabama!
We're very close to a city called Huntsville. They have space camp there for kids to go and learn what it's like to become an astronaut.
You took them to space camp so they became astronauts.
Yep.
So it was really cool as a kid to be able to go out there and sort of get a sense of scale for myself and the universe and how small I am. And I think space and rocket technology is not something that a lot of people think of when they think of Alabama, so I think that's a pretty unique aspect of where I grew up. I spent most of the early part of my career working in a very specific industrial space, so I'm really excited to get exposed to industries that I don't have as much experience with.